using love. Right in front of you, ain't gotta look no more, baby. I wanna build this love. Everything you own, you ain't gotta ask for.
Yeah, get her hair done tomorrow, but I gotta come wash and blow dry, and I got 4C hair. So how the hell that work? No, literally, when they be like, well, it ain't really no problem come wash and blow dry, but it's like I got 4C hair, so 9 times out of 10 you gonna end up blow drying it again. I didn't tell her I had 4C hair. She just gonna see my head when I get there. I mean, stitch braids, 12. Post stitch braids. I don't know, my head kind of big. I gotta wash my hair. I might do it tonight. Put it in some plaits, let it air dry, comb the plaits out, and then take my shower in the morning and then blow dry it after my shower. I got 3 alarm sets. 3 alarms set. I'm not playing. Okay, I'm not playing about my hair when I had to dry there. I drove to our house before just to see where it was at, because baby, I had to make sure I get there. So yeah, right there. I'm gonna like show maybe like 10 or 5 minutes before. I feel like 10 minutes before, because for like a job interview and stuff like that, you show up 5 to 10 minutes before. Never showing up 15 minutes before ever again in my fucking life. Yeah. I need some new LED lights. A little dusty. I look, he just wanna take these off. They stick pretty good though. That's what I need to order. I finally, dang, that's bright. I figured out what I need to order. Did I put on deodorant? I did. Okay. I was like so confused because I'm feeling sweat. But y'all, this week has been the easiest homework week ever. Like, it has been the easiest homework week ever in my life. Ever. Like, of course you have the forms. Okay, the forms, nothing. One assignment, like, it's just been so easy, y'all, and I am so happy that it has been so easy. I just need to submit these assignments. I'm going to submit them all tonight, because honestly, I don't feel like doing all of that work, in which if I don't have to do a lot of work, I'm not going to do a lot of work, and that's just that. It's getting hot in here, so hot. So I do have a couple goals. So before Friday, I'm going to edit all these YouTube videos, get them done and out there. It's just I've been consistent with creating thumbnails, but most of the times I don't take pictures. So I'm gonna try and find all these pictures so I can, create a thumbnail for this vlog that's in my phone. If not, there's just not gonna be like a real thumbnail, It is the day of my hair appointment. I look like a little boy. Don't ask me, but whatever. I gotta wash my hair. I got my stuff down here. And then I'm gonna go upstairs. And then that's when I'm gonna put the conditioner in and put it in like 4 or 5 plaits. So when I get out the shower, get ready and all that. My mom said she show up right on time. I'm gonna get there like 5 minutes before, so I can find some parking. Cause it's right around the corner. So yeah, I'll probably shape up my eyebrows. I see a little hair coming right there. I shaved my eyebrow off when I was small. I don't know if y'all know that, but yeah. You see how it's not like good like this one? Like, they both look good, but y'all see that? When I tell y'all I'm running errands all day after this hair appointment. All day. No, but I'm really running errands. I should have bought. Oh, girl, I might even put on some lashes. But question is, can I see while driving if I put them on? That's just gonna be the question. So you like brush them up. At least that's what I see people do on TikTok with this. Like, you brush it up brush your eyebrows up. And then the strands that's sticking up, you cut them. I still need to go to Family Dollar. So, depending on how much time I have, I might go before. Or I could go after. Really doesn't matter. I'm only getting one thing. And it cost $1. And I was gonna use my card. And then I was like, oh my gosh, I have cash right here. I'm gonna take like $3 with me. So I don't, y'all know I can spend some money. Okay? But, oh, girl, I was gonna cry. I was about to say, hold on, did I just cut my eyebrow? I was literally gonna cry. Back outside. It made me mad. You. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, must be the money. Girl, let's get that little mustache. It's really not that bad though. I know one thing. If my skin don't glow after she do my hair, that mean my hair ugly. Cause, you know, after you get your hair done, your skin glow, y'all. Like, that's a fact. It just does. So if it don't glow, you know the hair's ugly. Also, I think I told y'all I made ice cream, but after my appointment, well, let me just say, later tonight, I'm gonna make me a root beer floaty again. Cause girl, I love me a root beer floaty. I do. They're just so good. I really don't like how I gotta wash my own damn hair though. I ain't never had to do that. Hopefully she got a blow dryer at the shop in case my hair need to be blow dried again. Cause y'all, I'm telling y'all, I could blow dry my hair so good and it's gonna shrink back down like within 5 minutes. So I don't know. I'm gonna put it into braids. So yeah. Oh, I need to do that Aztec clay face mask thing. Actually, came up with a lot of hair. And if y'all wonder what I put on my face, that oil, it was bio oil. That thing helps, especially with shaving. That thing helps, okay? Because if you're like a darker skinned girl or a brown skin, if you know, girl, you know, hyperpigmentation on your underarms and your inner thighs, your bikini line, okay? And one thing about them, two things for sure, we know it can be a confidence thing too. Like, I didn't used to like it, but now, girl, I don't even care no more because these dudes do not care. Like, if it's like a little darker. I'm telling y'all, I promise you they do not care. If your man care, then is that really your man? Like, let's be honest. Because how he could say, oh, he don't like that your inner thighs are darker than the rest of your body when his neck black as hell. Do you wash behind your neck? I guarantee you he doesn't. A lot of dudes don't even wash in their belly button, and a lot of dudes don't even wash between their butt cheeks because they think it's gay. Can you say that on YouTube? I feel like you can. Because a lot of rappers say it in their song. So I feel like you can. So, which I didn't know proper hygiene was YAG. I'm like, okay. If you dirty, I'm like, that's how I know you dirty. That's how I know you dirty. You don't want to wash in between your butt cheeks. That's how I know you dirty. Like, what? I'm like, ew, that's YAG. No, it's not. Now wash them. That's just, no, I was gonna say, but that's just me. No, that's just a fact. Like, who wouldn't want to wash? Okay, do my eyebrows look good, y'all? Yeah. I could have did this in my bathroom. I want to try and get my nose. We gonna see. There go them dogs barking. Ooh. One time, my neighbor on the other side of me, dogs was barking at 3 in the morning. I was like, like, what is up with that for real? Because that is crazy. 3 in the morning. 3 in the morning. And yes, y'all, they were chihuahuas. I was just like, I'm not even gonna say I was appalled, because they used to leave them things outside like all the time. Now they don't. I'm glad they stopped doing that, because get that little chihuahua in the house. Chihuahuas are ugly. Sorry, not sorry. The most ugly dogs ever. No, them little pugs, like that dog off Norbit. That dog is really ugly. Okay, but we got the nose. Now I'm gonna go wash my hair. And yes, I'm washing my hair in my kitchen sink. If you think that's dirty, then I guess cleaning your meat in the sink too is dirty. Okay, so I have to blow dry my hair. It is 11:12. I should be done blow drying my hair by like 11:20, 11:30. Then I can leave. Okay, your girl hair is blow dried. I am on my way to my hair appointment. I look good, cause yeah. Breath fresh. Do I want to put on perfume? I mean, we can. But no, I'm on my way to my hair appointment. It's like 11:40. It's like, it's not even 10 minutes away. That's me over exaggerating. But no. It is 10 minutes away. Let's take into traffic. So she texts me, hey, I'm at Popeyes if I'm not there when you show up. What? No, but I'm gonna head to my appointment. Girl looks good, y'all. I miss my puff, but I do not miss dealing with everything. I have to blow dry my hair. Hopefully I'm not tinted ready, because yeah. But I'm gonna show you my hair when I'm done. That's how I look. And I'm gonna see y'all later. Okay, that'll work. Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. Yesterday was my mom's retirement party. That's gonna be a whole video itself. It's just gonna be its own video, because it's gonna be copyrighted. So whoop-de-dog gonna do. However, I am upgrading my baby. The storage is getting upgraded. Very beautiful. Oh shit. Let me go ahead and disconnect everything though. I'm gonna see if this thing gonna work. If I prop it up, cause y'all know it be falling out and stuff. I don't got time. So hold on. Okay, I got my baby right here. Right here. Let me show y'all. Can y'all see? I hope you can. It's upside down. But let's take her to Best Buy. Geek Squad. I'm going to miss my baby. Guess who got their PC back from Best Buy? Me. Look at her. Hold on. Let me turn on my... Let me flip the camera. What is that on me? I don't know. Tell me what... Oh my God. I got my hair done. I forgot to tell y'all. know, but child, tell me why my little brother ain't got a little girlfriend. This mother trucker in here cackling. What's funny? Y'all need to cackle that schoolwork. Ain't nothing like, boy. Ain't nothing funny. Ain't nothing funny. Now, for real, y'all need to bring braids back like this for actresses. So it's just gonna get that nostalgia 2000s effect when they do a movie. Cause I don't know, it just like get that vibe. Yes, my forehead is on 10, but we're going to ignore that. I'm about to take my shower. Cause girl, it is hot out here. I'm talking about hot. H-E-double-L hockey sticks. Like it's hot.